If you want to factory reset your Motorola Moto G56, then we have two main methods that allow you to do so. The first one is via settings. We can open settings on our phone. After that, we're gonna scroll down and go to system. Next, you should be able to find reset options. And over here, we have erase all data. You will see the summary of everything that will be removed, which is pretty much everything, of course, from the internal storage, that is. So make sure to make a backup of everything that you don't want to lose. And then you can go ahead and press erase all data, follow the rest of the instructions in order to start factory resetting your phone. Now, the second method is via recovery mode. And if you want to go to the recovery mode, then first of all, we need to turn off our phone. So I'm gonna press the power button and volume up at the same time and power off the phone. Wait for the phone to shut down and then press and hold the power button and volume down button for a couple of seconds until you see the fastboot mode over here. Use volume buttons in order to navigate and choose an option that is called recovery mode. Press power button to confirm. And soon after that, you should see the hello motto. And shortly after that, no command screen. So once you see the no command screen, what you need to do now is press and hold the power button. And while holding the power button, press volume up. So like this. There we go. Now we're gonna release the power button. And over here, we navigate once again by using volume buttons, just like in the fastboot mode. We want to go to wipe data / factory reset, confirm your choice by pressing the power button. Then over here, go to factory data reset. And of course, that should be it. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.